contemporary is a form of dance which I wanted to learn since a long time.
मुझे नया चीज़ सीखना था, नया कुछ देखना था।
I've been a part of Kunal Chandra Sunday and it's been crazy. So, the contemporary was just a platform to explore. I wasn't really, keen about learning contemporary, but after I've learned it now, it's real fun and I can always do something or the other.
Contemporary is a little tough and it takes a lot of practice. I just want to let go. One form that you cannot be conserved, you cannot be reserved with yourself, you got to let go.
Contemporary as a dance form is more of expressing yourself and it's more of emotional and feeling the song, feeling the music.
तो डांस मैं अपने आप को पहचानना सीखी कि मैं कौन हूँ, क्या हूँ, वो मेरे को सीखने मिला कि मैं अंदर से मैं क्या हूँ, वो मेरे को जानने मिला।
I think it's a very fun-filled class, very warm people, and you're going to learn a lot.
About KJDX, I can say it's a blast to have Kunal over here. Like, it's been a wonderful experience altogether.
KJDA is amazing, trust me. Like, I come from South Bombay and there are a lot of classes all over Mumbai and I travel all the way to Canada for KJDA because of the energy and the vibes that it gives me. A lot of energy, positivity, and I take back a lot more than dance, like KJDA inside.
बेस्ट पार्ट जो कुणाल सॉन्ग चालू करके आंखें बंद करके अपने आप को इनका बोलता है कि ऑब्जर्व करो आप क्या है, हमारे दिल को खुला करता है, जिससे मजा आती है।
I create learning about yourself, like the activities which Kunal has given us. So learning about yourself has been the most important part.
The best part of the class is the small activities what we do taking in between the class to know more within yourself, know others, and basically discover your own self and learn your own way to dance and just go with the flow.
A lot of balancing alone and along with being stable while you're dancing, I've learned how to be emotionally stable as well. So that's something I would like to share.
One thing that I've learned is to be a little more free with myself. This course has really helped me to push myself better on what I thought I could not.
Well, the course has helped me out to become better as a person. Leaving dance aside, yes, becoming a better person in life is important. I guess I have to do that.
And that helped me, become more flexible and also my stamina.
I've learned how to be, more flexible, not only in terms of dance, but yes, at home, in work, everywhere. Like, you need to be a little flexible and adjustive. That's what I've learned from her, and obviously the dance form. I feel more strength in my own self, and I feel more healthier.
I'm taking back lots of happiness. I'm taking back dance, of course, and I'm taking back a lot of memories.
कुणाल बहुत अच्छा है सब चीज़ें, उसके हमारा वो हम लोग को भी समझाता है, सिखाता है, एक एक स्टेप बताता है कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, उसके बाद हम लोग को बताता है कि अब आप करो, तो हम लोग को एकदम दिमाग में अच्छे
No doubt he's a great person, he's a gym person, and this jolly nature makes everyone happy around him.
Kunal, the instructor, is wonderful. I've been to a couple of other dance classes before, and I see that they always, they kind of assume that we know the basics. So they start dancing and they expect us to start dancing as well. But when it comes to Kunal, what I've seen is he goes very slow in the start. He makes sure you understand the step and then he increases the speed. So that's something I really love, and that's something very different about his dance class. We cater to everyone individually when we are doing it. So you get a personal attention and you actually know whether you're doing something right or wrong. and he's a wonderful person. He always has a smile on his face, and he always makes sure everyone else is smiling. So it's been a great experience. I love KJ.
Kunal as a person, he is a sweetheart, I can say. I just love him, and he's been so kind and nice as a tutor. He gives personal attention, and personally he trains you well. So I feel it's very, as a tutor, that's what you need, like a personal touch, and to know each one individual personally and where they stand and how much they can come out of it, learn out of it. So that's what I love.
Or what life you are with my Sunday.
I've learned a lot from here.
I'd love to join all your courses.
मैं क्लास हर बार करना चाहूँगी.